Hello students, welcome to my channel OmniGyan. This tutorial is about how to use the app or the application Google Classroom. Okay, so first of all you'll have to download the Google Classroom from your Play Store. I have already downloaded it and this is my app. So open the app. Your teacher has already made the classroom here. Okay, but if you are a new user you can go to this plus sign here, okay, and just click on join class. So when you click on join class, here you can see class code. Okay, you just type the class code that your teacher has shared with you. Okay, since I have already joined the teacher's classroom with the class code, so let me not join. So after you have joined, okay, you'll get this sign join here. Okay, you'll get this sign. It's a 5 alphabetic code. Okay, you can click on join here and then you'll get automatically join, but make sure that you enter the class code correctly. Okay, let's close it now. When you after you have joined the class, you'll find this kind of a window coming up onto your mobile phone. Okay, so you tap on it. So after tapping on it, you can see all the messages being sent by your teacher. Okay, right now here you'll find for every new assignment you will find notifications here, say new assignment GK. Okay, all of you can try this out as a sample. Okay, otherwise you can go to classwork, and when you tap on classwork, okay, bottom middle, when you tap on classwork, you'll again find all the assignments, all the quizzes, all the online tests being conducted by your teacher. Okay, you can just tap on it, and after tapping on it, here in attachment file you will find this blank quiz. Okay, this is the name of the test that is being conducted, and for every new test a new title will be given, right? So you can tap on it. Okay, I'm tapping on it. So blank quiz. Okay, so this is just a sample blank quiz that I have given here. All of you can try this out and you can click on the correct answer and whatever your answer is. Okay, so we all know who the president of our country is, so I'm tapping on number 2. Okay, Ramnath Kovind. Okay, now you click on submit. Okay, don't click anywhere, just click on submit. Okay, here, this orange one. Okay, whatever your answer is, you can change your answer also, but before submitting you change your answer. Okay, you can change your answers. In my case I'm putting number 2 and I click on submit. After you have clicked on submit, you can read out, there's a message here, answer submitted, response submitted, and assignment marked as done. So you will not know whether your answer is correct or incorrect. Your teacher will send you that later, and then you click on open assignment. Okay, now your assignment has been submitted but not completely, so you click on open assignment. So after clicking on open assignment, you will get another page like this. Fine. Okay, now here you see mark as done. Okay, submit, not submit exactly, but okay, so here you will get this kind of a thing. Okay, mark as done. Okay, so after you click on, don't click anywhere, just click on mark as done. So after you have clicked on, you have tapped on mark as done, and in this case it is resubmit, but in your case it will be submit actually. Okay, I have already submitted it, so in my case it has come resubmit, but in your case it will be submit here. So just click on submit and wait for some time, and yes, see, work submitted. Okay, bottom page, work submitted. So your work has been submitted now. All right, and later your teacher will give you how much marks you have gained, how much points you have gained. Okay, so that's all. I hope you have understood. It is very simple, it is very easy. Okay, so all the best to all of you. Thank you.